Caution, you are under surveillance. Caution, you are under surveillance.
Sino yan? Sino yan? Ang lupit ng camera na to. So may motion tracking. Yan. Pwede mong i-off. Susunod yung camera dun sa tao na dadaan. Tapos may alarm.
Caution, you
Yan.
are under surveillance.
Yan.
Caution, you are under surveillance.
Tapos may light
Caution,
control.
you are under surveillance.
Yan. May light control. Yan, i-on mo. Yan. Auto na lang. Tapos may yan o, motion tracking. Yan, pag-aaralan ko pa yan. Yan, pwedeng may recording. Kaya lang tong cloud recording, kailangan mo siyang subscribe. Pero kung i-record mo siya, pwede sa phone. Kaya lang dapat medyo mataas yung capacity ng cellphone mo kasi baka pupuno agad. No? Pwede mag-picture. Tanggalin natin yung motion track. Magalaw kasi.